potty hanging out.
Scoot over.
You towel. Bye. Then to you the toilet.
You have to ask to try it out. Okay, you want to go? Okay, then we're going to go bye-bye.
No.
Yeah, it's time to go. I gave you like 2 more minutes, like 10 minutes ago.
No.
Yeah, honey.
I don't need to potty. Give me hello mode.
No, we're going to go potty, and then come out and clean up a little bit, and then we're going to go.
No, not to potty.
Okay, you can take a little more, but this one, if you want to play, you don't do it. Okay? And you don't get to watch your show. Okay, let's go. Come on.
We need to potty.
Okay.